Hello Falcons, and welcome back to another sentence diagramming lesson. This is our last one of the year, woohoo! Okay, this week we are going over object complements. This is lesson 19. All right, let's turn to a fresh page in our journal. And again, lesson 19, object complements. So I hope you remember talking about direct objects. Well, these direct objects can have what's called an object complement, which is similar to a subject complement. These will answer the question what after a direct object. This will complete the meaning of the object by identifying or describing it. Now, object complements occur only with verbs having the general meaning of make or consider. For example, if we take the sentence, students elected Anne president. First, I want you to see that the verb here, elected, generally means make. The students made Anne president. So that one tells us, or just in this case, having that object complement happens because we have the verb elected. Okay, let's go ahead and diagram this out. So, as always, we're going to find our subject, students, and our verb, elected. Okay, basic diagram, here we go. Okay, now we need to find the direct object. So students elected, who or what did they elect? They elected Anne. Anne is my direct object because that action is being done directly to her. Now, what did they elect Anne? They elected her president. So this is my object complement. Just like we would do with a subject complement, draw a slanted line and then write your object complement. Okay, not so bad, right? Let's do another one. Let's do they consider her trustworthy. Baseline. Awesome. Subject is they. Our verb is consider. Basic diagram, here we go. Okay. Who or what is being considered? Her. So that is our direct object. They consider her. Now, what do they consider her? They consider her trustworthy. So that is my object complement. Okay, not so bad. Let's do one last tricky one. I say tricky, you guys are going to get this easily, and then we'll practice. Our example is voters named Bob secretary and Viv class treasurer. Okay, our subject is voters. Our verb is named. And then we'll figure out these other pieces. But let's just start our basic diagram. Voters for our subject, named for our verb. Okay, now who or what was named? Notice that we actually have two direct objects here. They named Bob and Viv. Okay, if we have a compound direct object, what do we have to do? Hopefully you said it. We have to split our diagram. Don't forget that line that shows that you have a direct object. On the top we have Bob. On the bottom we have Viv. Okay, now what was Bob named? Bob was named secretary. Therefore, that is our object complement for Bob. So next to Bob, we need to draw our slanted line and write secretary. Okay, what about Viv? What was Viv named? She was named treasurer. Okay, I'm sorry, I forgot to say this earlier, but don't forget we also have our conjunction and connecting the two. I know you guys won't forget about that. Okay, lastly, what word am I missing? Yep, I'm missing class. Okay, where does class go? What is that telling me more about? Yes, it's telling me more about treasurer. What kind of treasurer? The class treasurer. So I put class below treasurer. Perfect. Okay, that wasn't so bad either. It's time to practice. Yay, final practice, y'all. Let's do it. Good luck, Falcons.